Hey guys, this is Redo, and it's been a while since I've uploaded some videos, but today I have two things that I'll be showing you. One is MJJC's foam Canon S version 3 and MJJC's foam snow foam shampoo, super soft. So I think the first thing that I wanted to let you guys know is I'll be testing this just by itself, right, using the same foam shampoo, and then I will be testing it against foam Canon Pro's or MJJC's foam Canon Pro version 1 and version 2. So just by itself, we'll see how good the foam Canon S version 3 is, and we'll use the same shampoo for the S version and for the Pro version. So let's see what we have here. What's this? Oh, warranty. So you get 1 year of warranty, which is pretty good. You get some quick connects and disconnects. I'm guessing this is a smaller orifice, 1.1. No need if your pressure washer is over 110 bar. And since I have the Kranzel, I don't think I need that. I haven't had the need to use, you know, the spare ones for my Canon Pro. So that's good. This is obviously the container, 1 liter, I think, because it says 1000 ml, right? Not too good with metric. And then this is the foam Canon itself. Doesn't seem to be different than the foam Canon Pro, but we'll see. I'm not doing the comparison yet. And so I'll open up this two later, but we'll see what this one is. Opening it up. Ooh, different packaging. Bonus 20 ounces. So this is 600 ml. Okay, so we'll use this in a bit. And as always, I tend to use around, let's see, where's the measurement? Ah, there you go. 50 ml, right? Every 500 ml, or was it 500 or 800? I can't remember. Let's see, hold on. I have it here. What's the maximum for this one? Ah, okay. So they're both 1 liter, and I always use 50 ml. That way we'll see how much foam it can produce when the ratio is 50 ml to 1000 ml of water. So give me a few minutes and then I will set this up. Okay, so took it out of plastic and we'll now assemble this. Most of the time I just basically try and install everything all at once. So this one, just put this in and it should be good to go. All right, open, close. Not a lot of soap, a lot of soap. So we have this at 1000 and this one is at 50. So I'll just combine this two. You know what, I wonder if there was like a recommendation and add 100 ml of detergent into 900 ml of water. Ooh. You know what? Instead of 50, let's do 100 then. and then I'll do 100 as well for the other two. So let's do that. Ooh, smells nice. Okay, there you go. So 50 plus 50, 100. Although it did say 900, but we're using 1000. So I think that's fine. Okay, everything's good. Easy to assemble, at least from my point of view. What is this? Oh, that's so much easier. I don't know what type that is, but it's so much easier to screw in. All right, let's start foaming, guys. Okay, we'll foam the Civic. It's not yet wet, so let's rinse it for a bit, because I always do that. All right. I think there's still some air. All right. We'll just do this side first. I'll just put this here and we'll connect this one. Make sure that it's secure so that when you spray, it just won't like go towards your car. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that was a bit too big. There you go. Hey, not bad. So I used 200 ml just to cover the whole car. It's pretty damn good. And it's really foamy. I mean, that's it. That's version 3, guys. Pretty damn good foam. It's very thick too. You can see that it's not just like going off. So how good is this compared to the Pro version? I don't know. That's for the next video, but for this one, Hell yeah. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I am impressed, as always. MJJC makes good stuff. Seriously, it's almost always half the price of whatever most people use. Yeah. I think this is my new favorite one.